How to save a route on Google Maps. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can save a route on Google Maps. Now to do so is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you. First, what you'll need to do is open up the Google Maps here and then search into the place that you want to head or the route that you want to go to. Now I'll just search in this here. Now, once you do this, what you want to do is tap on the directions option at the bottom of the screen. You'll find the directions option. Simply tap on it and you'll find the direction. Now you can choose your starting location here as well. Now I'll just choose on map here this. Once you choose your starting location and your ending location and your route is ready, what you want to do is tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of the screen. You can find the three dots option beside your location. Tap on it, and what you want to do is tap on add route to home screen. Once you do this, it'll ask you to, are you sure you want to add it? Simply tap on add, and once you go back, it'll be added to your home screen here, you can see. And now if you just tap it, it'll open up your route. This way you can save a route on Google Maps. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.